Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mango ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 large, ripe mangoes, 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Remember to chill your ice cream maker bowl for at least 24 hours. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the mangoes. Carefully peel and dice 2 to 3 large, ripe mangoes. Place these pieces into a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent puree. For an extra silky texture, I highly recommend straining the puree through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any fibrous bits, ensuring your ice cream is wonderfully smooth. With your mango puree ready, it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, mix the smooth mango puree with 1 1/2 cups of rich heavy cream. Then, stir in 1 cup of whole milk and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until fully dissolved. Pour this delightful mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes until it thickens. Once your ice cream maker has done its magic, the mixture will be soft serve consistency. Carefully transfer this delicious, soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up properly. When ready, scoop and enjoy your homemade mango ice cream, perhaps garnished with fresh mango or a sprig of mint.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.